Hello everyone. Over the last few months, we have been bringing you content expressing some of the issues we go through on an administrative level in the workplace, and how to address them. These frustrations affect most working adults, and we often overlook the value of our time that should really be allocated to our families and friends, rather than giving it up to our bosses. As you know, we are an efficiency channel. For us, it's never about getting the job done. Rather, it's about getting the job done as efficiently as possible, and understanding that things can always be improved, regardless of the endeavor. With that said, we will begin presenting some shortcuts for various applications starting with Excel, that will boost your efficiency. Some of the shortcuts will be basic for sure, but calm down. We do have viewers that are at that level, and we are here for everyone. For the Excel content only, you will need to go to the Excel playlist. On the other hand, we will have some rather complex ones that will take you to that next level, that could potentially reduce your effort up to 80%. We will be creating playlists to organize the content for your convenience. I truly appreciate you stopping by weekly to review the content we present. Thank you as always.